Wow. Wow. And I struggle riding one. Okay. I gotta step my game up. Wait, do that again. I gotta start that again. I learned a new word today. Wszystko dobrze. Wszystko dobrze? Cześć, wszystko dobrze? I hope I'm saying that right. Hope you guys are great today. The lighting was like perfect, that's why I had to start the vlog here. And by the way, I'm staying in this pretty nice place, by the way. You guys gotta check out this view though. You guys gotta check out this. I mean, it's not a perfect view, but it's not bad either. It's just one of those views that you see how beautiful and amazing it is here in Warsaw. And even from like check this out. From the bedroom, you have a nice view of Warsaw. From this room, you have like another like beautiful view of Warsaw. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this place. It's like perfect. And kind of on that note, I'm like here tonight as well. So I have all this space. I don't need all these rooms and stuff like this. You know, I need like one room and I'm perfectly fine sleeping on the couch. So if you guys are in Warsaw right now, you need a place to stay. I have plenty of space tonight. But anyways, hope you guys are doing great today. It's kind of a chill day for me. I think I've been saying that a lot. I think I've been moving so much that when I come to Warsaw, I've realized that Warsaw has now become, as weird as it sounds, like a place, it's like home a little bit, and I feel calm and relaxed. And as much as my friends and everyone's like, Luke, you gotta go see this, it's like when I'm here, I kind of just feel like just being here and not running around and going super crazy. You know, as beautiful as a city this is and so much to see, which I'm slowly discovering, it's just been cool kind of just chilling out and relaxing. But I know it's a pretty boring start to the day, but this was like a pretty cool place, and I think any place where you can come and you can like see Warsaw, it's worth showing it. Yeah, I feel like anytime then it's like worth showing it. But I just want to say good morning to you guys. I really appreciate you guys so much, just so you guys know that. I feel like I always tell you, but I think you guys need to know that because it's true to my heart. I really do appreciate you guys. And kind of on that note, thinking of switching maybe to this camera now. I've been vlogging on this when I was telling you guys about the camera I was using. I've been using just the GoPro Hero 7 Black. A lot of people were asking me. And now maybe just it's time to get back to maybe using my normal vlogging camera. But on that note, dzień dobry, wszystko dobrze. Okay, let's get the day. Super nice lady in the elevator, but she didn't speak a word of English. But beautiful day here in Warsaw. Man, I love this city. I'm gonna tell you guys that 1,000 times, probably every day that I'm always here. I love this city. Like I tell you guys, there's always something going on here in Warsaw. It is crazy, like all the time. Like I don't even know what this is for. But it'll be a concert. It'll be a lot of good, awesome people, great vibes. That's here in Warsaw. And kind of on that note, right now, I'm making my way over to get some food. I've realized since I've been traveling, I changed up my routine. So busy places when there's a lot of people eating, you know, it's just not my style. So I've realized that most people here in Poland, for the most part, are eating around 12:15 to around 1:30. So what I started doing is I started changing up when I would go to eat. I either eat before or I eat after. And I say that to you guys because when you're traveling, maybe not so much here in Warsaw, but when you're other big cities, if you can if you can eat before the big crowds eat, you get to have a place to eat, number one. fast service, and number two, by 12 to 2, when everyone else is eating, you can be out exploring. There won't be long lines in the museums, there won't be a lot of people out, so it gives you a little bit more time to kind of not be in the big crowded space of the tourism and how many tourists there are. Just a little thing I've learned just from the last couple of weeks of kind of non-stop travel. I've kind of picked up on these little habits. So it's a little bit before 12, headed to eat, and off the beaten path. Like, not even a lot, just kind of as I'm walking around, like there's this little side street next to the main street that I'm always walking, and I've seen all these shops and restaurants that you would have no idea they were here. Little tip of the day: when you guys are traveling, go off the beaten path from time to time. And just finished eating, you can guess where. Oh, but if you guys do come to Poland, this is like another place where it's like almost all local people get here. And if you're in Warsaw, they're both located right next to each other as well. But now, okay, so things aren't going according to plan totally. I'm still kind of getting a whole bunch of stuff that I need to get done. Then actually it's really hot, have someone I have to go meet, a lot of things going on. We're gonna switch cameras, drop stuff off, just catching you guys up on what's going on. So there's gonna be about an hour and a half. There's gonna be an hour and a half spin. Hour and a half, okay? So if I'm more tired, you'll understand why. Like 2 hours. This is about 2 hours later. My friend who I'm supposed to be meeting hasn't arrived yet. I'm not sure what's going on with them, but they said they'll write me when they're here. So I think since I had a little time, instead of napping, since this is like my last day in Warsaw, I'm not sure if I've told you guys that, thought I'd head here to one place and just chill. I found like a little secret place for ice cream that, oh, it's actually this way. I found a little secret place for ice cream that I really liked. The people were super nice. You know, in theory, this sounded like a really great idea, but it's like so hot outside. It's like not even funny. I feel myself melting as I'm walking, and which leads me to another point for you guys, for you all who are traveling and you all who want to do stuff and not even make videos and be creative, but whenever you guys are doing something that you love doing, don't be influenced to do it any other way than the way you love it. You know, hear what people are saying, like this, like this, like this. But at the end of the day, you choose the way you want to do it. I get a lot of people who, you know, they'll write me. I get a lot of emails and people say, hey, when I go there, what should I do? What should I do? And I always say, you know, do what you feel when you get there. It's because it's not always the same for me. Every time I go to a place, I'm here in Warsaw. You know, a lot of times when I'm here, I'm trying to explore outside of the center. And then other days I'm trying to explore in the center. Then other days I'm doing the exact same thing I did the day before because that's how I feel. So when you guys are doing what you love, go how you feel. Go with what you feel, how you feel like. If you feel like just chilling out in the park next to your hostel or hotel where you're staying at, do that. Don't feel bad about it. You don't have to be in a 5-star hotel on a beach. You know, do what you feel. You know, and that would be the thought of the day for today. Second thought of the day. I think I already gave one. But yeah, need to find ice cream place and it's like a cafe, but everyone comes to the window to buy ice cream and they leave, but there's actually a cafe inside, like really chill. Maybe it's packed all the time, but the last 2 times I've been here, it's been nobody here. Oh my gosh, I love you. Thank you. Okay, so it is like 7 hours later. Got kind of caught up in randomness of ran into some old friends, or actually not even old friends, they're my friends now, and happened to just run into them. Day got kind of totally destroyed, and now off to meet some other people. One of those hectic times. I hate to end the vlog with it being boring and no story, but life sometimes just kind of takes over. So on that note, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be better than today. Tomorrow will be a lot longer than today, a lot more going on, I guarantee you that. But on that note, I want to bid you guys good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, life kind of just happens, but talk to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao. Just getting back home. Set my alarm for tomorrow. Alarm in 2 hours, 27 minutes.